Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use Strikethrough in Google Slides. So, let's get started. First, open up your Google Slides presentation. Got it? Great! Now, find the text box with the text you want to edit. Don't worry, it's super simple to add a strikethrough. Here's what you do: go to the Format menu at the top. From there, hover over text, and you'll see an option for strikethrough. Just click on it, and voila! The strikethrough is applied to your text. But what if you want to remove it? No problem at all. Just follow the same steps. Select the text, head back to the Format menu, hover over text, and click on Strikethrough again. That's it, the strikethrough is gone. Oh, and here's a pro tip: you can even apply strikethrough to just a specific part of your text. Simply highlight the part you want, go to Format, click Text, and select Strikethrough. Easy, right? And there you have it, that's how you use Strikethrough in Google Slides. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.